In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove your phone number from WhatsApp. There are two basic ways you can remove your phone number from having a WhatsApp account. The first option is to simply delete your account. Just head into your WhatsApp. On your settings page, select the option of account. On this page, you will then tap onto this option of delete my account. Enter your phone number right here and proceed by tapping on delete my account right here. Your phone number will get removed from a WhatsApp account. The second option is to just get back and still tap on account. Then instead of deleting, just select the option of change number. Tap on next and you will be required to enter old phone number. Then proceed by entering a new phone number. Your previous phone number will get removed from having a WhatsApp account. That's how easy it is to remove your contact from a WhatsApp account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.